The unhappiest men I've ever met in my life share the same traits. They are incredibly ambitious, yet equally lazy. They crave the outcome, but they despise the work. They love results, but they hate the journey. They have potential for greatness, but the voices in their head are keeping them lazy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 10 habits to get you out of that lazy era. Starting with voice number 1. Oh, I don't know what to do. You see, not knowing what to do, this is what keeps most men lazy. So I'm gonna show you how to find something to do. In Japanese culture, there is a concept called ikigai, and it's broken down into 4 circles. What you love and what the world needs, this would be your mission. What you love and what you're good at, this is your passion. What you're good at and what you're paid for, this is your profession. And what you're paid for and the world needs, this is your vocation. If you're unsure about what you need to do in your life, I want you to write these 4 circles down on a piece of paper and then write down the things that fit into each of these circles. Then you need to try to find that one thing that overlaps all 4 circles. That is your ikigai. For me, creating content fell into all 4 circles. I get paid for it. I love what I'm doing. It's what young men need, and I'm really good at it. You have to remember, this is only one of the 10 voices you're gonna hear in your head that's gonna keep you lazy. Move on to voice number 2. Oh, I just can't. If you believe you can't do something, you'll never have the confidence to try. So, here are some tips to instantly look and feel more confident. When you're working from home, instead of staying in your pajamas or sweats all day, dress up nicely. Instead of slouching on your desk, I want you to sit up straight with your chest lifted and your shoulders rolled back. Instead of sitting in a cluttered room, I want you to tidy it up and put everything in its place. And then instead of sitting in a stuffy home, I want you to open some windows so you can breathe some fresh air. Voice number 3, I'm afraid I'll fail and look stupid. You see, a lot of people will tell you, oh, you shouldn't care about what people think, but nobody really shows you how to do it. So here's how to truly stop caring about what people think every single day using 3 steps. First, you need to understand that you have no control about what others think or do in their lives. Second, you need to realize that those who fear judgment are usually the ones that judge people the most. So, as soon as you stop judging others, you'll start to care less about being judged in return. And third, if someone talks about you or judges you, remember, it is a reflection of their own insecurities, not yours. Let them waste their time on others while you focus on self-improvement. Voice number 4. Oh, I'm just a lazy person. When you're feeling down or lazy, doing something more challenging is gonna help you bounce back quickly. This is how dopamine works, which is why it's important to start your day with a small, productive task and then move on to something slightly more challenging. So I'm gonna show you my morning routine that I use to trigger my dopamine and avoid being lazy. First, I wake up immediately and I make my bed. This is a non-negotiable. Then I floss and brush my teeth. Look, I hate flossing, I hate the whole process. That's exactly why I do it, that's the point. And third, I do my skincare routine, which is the most effort of all, but it also has the highest return because it makes you feel great. For example, every time I use my microdermabrasion tool from PMD, I am regenerating my skin to make it look young. And just look at the before and afters of some of the people that use the microdermabrasion. You can see just how well their skin has regenerated, giving them flawless skin. And this is key for us guys because when you're young, your skin cells recycle every 14 days, but as you age, your skin cells start recycling up to every 60 days. However, when I use this microdermabrasion tool, you'll remove a top layer of your skin, which speeds up cellular turnover. And this results in much better looking skin. So as soon as I'm done washing my face, I just grab my PMD tool, you pull your skin tight, and I move along my face horizontally. I'll do 1 pass, and then I'll do it 1 more time going vertically to make sure I didn't miss any spots. It only takes a couple minutes every morning, but just like making my bed and brushing my teeth, it's a good way to prime dopamine for the day, avoid being lazy, and also look amazing, which every man needs. If you guys want to check out this PMD tool, I'm gonna have it linked down below. Voice number 5. Oh, I'm too tired. If you really want to stop being lazy, you need to start improving your sleep. So here are 3 simple ways to help you sleep better that's gonna help you get out of being lazy. First, move your phone charger into another room. This is gonna help you keep you from staying up late on your phone. Second, eliminate all light from your bedroom. If you have little small lights from your electronic devices, you can cover those lights with black tape. And third, I want you to lie on your left side. This improves blood circulation, helping you fall asleep faster and deeper. Voice number 6. I shouldn't be this lazy. The reason you might feel lazy or you might feel unsuccessful is because you know what you should be doing, but you're not doing it. You know you should be cooking healthy meals, but you choose junk food instead. You know you should be working out, but you stay home. You know you should be taking care of your skin, but you neglect it. But again, all of this can change by you just simply taking action. Start with your skin, for example. It's easy and it gives you instant results. Anytime you want to get out of laziness, you need to choose something where you can see an immediate result, as that's going to feed you dopamine and motivate you to keep going. If you make it a habit of cleaning your skin every morning and night, followed by moisturizing, you're going to see an immediate result in your skin and your confidence. And if you truly want to take it to the next level, and you invest in a personal microdermabrasion tool like this one, this tool will unclog your pores and reduce the appearance of your acne. Meaning that if you deal with acne or deal with clogged pores, just one usage from this, you will see a visible difference in the clarity of your skin. Now here's the best part. If you were to do microdermabrasion at a dermatology office, you're gonna get the same results, but it's gonna cost you around $1,500. You need to do around 10 sessions, and every session is around $150. And at the end of it, yes, you would have flawless skin. I recommend this actually to anyone. But with the PMD tool, you get to do this from your home. The tool costs 1/10 of what the treatments cost, and now you get to do it whenever you want. So if you're a guy that really wants to develop a routine that's gonna make you look more attractive, that's gonna get you out of being lazy and make you feel as confident as possible, yo, the microdermabrasion tool is it. I've been using it for over 5 years, and that's how good this is. Once you buy it, you won't have to replace it for years. I'm gonna have it linked down below. I'm also gonna have a limited time discount that's gonna make this thing an absolute steal. Voice 7. Oh, I'm too old to get started. See, if you didn't do anything when you were a teenager, you could start in your 20s. If you didn't achieve anything in your 20s, you can make a change in your 30s. If you didn't do anything in your 30s, you could still get started in your 40s. Do you see where I'm going with this? It is never too late to begin something, no matter your age. As a matter of fact, Stan Lee, one of the most successful comic book writers in history, started writing comics at 39. Samuel L. Jackson, one of the greatest actors to ever live, didn't pursue acting as a career till he was 43. And Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, didn't start his business until he was 40. Now, by this point, we have squashed most of the voices in your head that are making you lazy, using the Ikigai diagram, by making you feel more confident, by helping you stop what others think of you. And now, even showing you that you could start at any age. But truthfully, if you want to stop being lazy forever, there are 3 voices you need to squash for good. Voice number 8. Oh, this isn't the right moment. You need to stop waiting for the right time, because time isn't waiting for you. Instead, start with minimal progress. For example, tomorrow, work on your goals for just 1 minute. The next day, work for 2 minutes. Then 3 minutes the day after, and so on. As your streak continues, you're gonna start to capitalize on something called the sunken cost fallacy. Because you've already put a certain number of days into this, you're gonna feel more invested and inclined to keep going. By day 100, you'll be working on your goals for 100 minutes, and you'll be so invested and conditioned that you're gonna continue this streak well into the future. You're then gonna realize just how much you've accomplished and how silly it was to even think this. Voice number 9. Oh, I don't have enough time. Relax. Bro, take your time. Find a good wife. Avoid pornography. Focus on being a good man, a protector, a provider, not just for others, but for yourself as well. Get up, go out, and do what you need to do to be the person you want to be. If you're feeling unsure, have a nice shower, put on some good clothes, and take care of your skin to boost your confidence. There is no better feeling that's also free than being proud of how you look. Voice number 10. I just don't care about anything. Look, if you truly want to stop being lazy forever, you need to start caring about yourself before focusing on anything else. And here's how you're gonna do it in 7 steps. I want you to eliminate or reduce any psychoactive substances like alcohol or caffeine. Second, eliminate or reduce any news consumption. Third, make a list of those who have hurt you. Forgive them. Fourth, accept who you are and understand that you can't change that. Fifth, surround yourself with successful and motivated people. Sixth, stop worrying about the past or the future and focus on the present. Try to serve others instead of always trying to seek to be served yourself. If you listen to me and squash all 10 of these voices in your head, you will stop being lazy forever.